When your basement floor is failing or water is finding its way in, it's time for a permanent solution. Step 1. Our team identifies the low point in the basement to ensure proper drainage and system performance. If needed, we install a durable vapor barrier wall covering called Clean Space to protect your basement and direct moisture down into the drainage system. Next, we begin excavating for the sump system and install drainage matting to guide water efficiently beneath the floor. We secure the matting and custom fit our WaterGuard perimeter drain system to your basement. The sump pump is then installed and plumbed with a discharge line safely routed away from your home. We finalize the system by sealing seams, adding stone as needed, and installing inspection ports for easy access. To protect finished walls, we add a barrier before the concrete is poured. Finally, we pour a brand new concrete slab, creating a clean, durable basement floor built to last. With TC Hafford Basement Systems, your basement is protected from the ground down. All things basementy.